how you can add or remove desktop icons in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you have to follow some simple steps to customize your own desktop area. Now first off, if you want to add some icons on your desktop, you can do a right click and then go on personalize. Here you can see themes, you have to click on it, and then under related settings you can go on desktop icon settings. Now in this Windows pop-up you can select all of your required icons. Here I'm going to select users file and control panel and then click on apply. Once you've done this, you can click on OK and you can see all of your selected icons have been set on your desktop. Now on to the next part where you want to remove the icons from your desktop. You have to follow the same steps. Just do a right click and then go on personalize, then click on themes and then select desktop icon settings. Now you can uncheck all of the boxes of unrequired icons from the settings and then click on apply and then OK. Now here you can see all of the unrequired icons have been removed from your desktop. Now you can follow the same steps to customize icons in your desktop. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you find it helpful.